Hello guys, welcome to a new live session. Chat 39 minutes. Shut the chat. Let's delete this today. Links. Action high. We fill the gap. He also has 1 hour back. 7 seconds, still pushing up. Let's see how to open. If it creates new high, or what's happening. Okay, start pushing down, down. Secure stop loss and take profit. Okay, directly pushing down, down, down. If made a robber effect, bigger pullback, and after going down, it's a possible robber effect. If still will pushing down and won't make bigger pullback and don't break down again, we just await. It's a teeny pullback and continue down. For robber effect, we need a bigger pullback after pushing down. And this start to be nice. So now break again, 2-3 times. It's an opportunity for a sell like a robber effect, but need be pull back bigger and pure push down. And now making pull back, push down, pull back, push down. Robber effect when open the candle, no wick up or wick down. In this situation, no wick up. Pushing down, pulling back, and with a good volume going down, and don't pull back, break down and continue down. Till now, still don't do. Too slow, going back down. If you wanna try, but now it's like 80% confirmed when now break down. Because look how to reject. Let's see why to reject. Because this is a strong SL here. Here just again fill the gap. This is what this push here. Look, it's 20 pips. But now struggling on this strong daily SR. Strong Asia SR. Still maybe trying to this rollover gap. Trying to fill. You see, trying to break it down. A fully reject. We have to continue up. We can make new high, break the Asian high and continue up. But early looking going down. But on the next side, we have bullish volume. You see the bearish candle and the bullish volume. What's mean? More pullback there, like pushing down. That's mean more money. Go for a buy. Not every indicator it's like extra super, but let's say this I use like between we set the 50. Look at this move. So there is it. It's a down 50. 26. 9. 49. Yeah. No, it's a jump that goes. Okay. the strong SR. How to close this candle, how to open the new candle. Watch this here. It's 50 pips, not bad. The new candle on main week up reaches the EMA 50. How can be 49? Still good. Once again, if the new candle in 10 seconds make a week up and reject the EMA 50, and after breakdown again, this SR, it's an opportunity for a sell. Me personally, for a week fill now here, don't go because it can be so tricky. But when we break down here for the next gap, no, here I open, but still it's a gap till here. Till here. It's mean make a week up. Let's see if continue up and we'll fill around 50% of this candle. It's mean 36 pips, 18 pips, somewhere here. If it will fail or not, or rejecting the EMA because it's a big volume, we have a still now selling volume. If continue down, break down this level in 2-3 times, it's opportunity for a sell, but can be slippage. It's a so crazy volume. Still 3.5 minutes in bouncing up down to go up. Make a weak fill. But personally, the 6 pips I don't wanna risk. Okay. Now going again retest the 50. 50 change when here flying not 49 something still. If you now take this sell, it can be risky a little because too high volume and here on 4 or 5 pips, so too much price ever can stop. Not let's see. You still have almost 3 minutes. 2 minutes 40 seconds. You start to breaking down. Once, second, what do we call it? Third, and take a sell. Let's see. Entry, then you pull back. 2 minutes 20 seconds. I so recommend in this candle to close. Pull back. And you get a pull back. This is what I said. We rejected this price. When we break this low, you have a more clear way down till here. And you see our take profit, I'll take profit 15 pips finish here. If you don't flip fully back. Say for you, it's a more risky because it's a high volume. We'll see. Pick up us. Okay, today is Thursday. Here's what you can decrease your generally risk here. Here was a crazy answer. Here only one opportunity you have. You take here 7 or 10 pips if you take on a flip. And it's a very low confirmation, around 70%. Here was a so good confirmation. I count with this. If here maybe stop it and flip it or not. I generally don't have a high risk. This is why I don't decrease my 0.35% risk. But I recommend for you. If you don't enter, don't force next trade because you see you sweep this price, flip it, and now going up, go through MA50 like nothing. If you're searching some trade and in next 5 to 10 minutes going up, really good volume, but we still have bearish volume, even pushing up. It's closed bearish volume because you see go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and just from here flip. Last how much was 1.5 minutes? Yeah, 1 minute 38 seconds. That means you see again start to pushing bearish volume, and but let's see if another bearish volume or will just too many pullbacks and pushing down and create the solo bearish volume. Look, this first candle was very high bullish volume. This red candle. This was a 70% of previous candle bearish, and now little rising bearish volume. It's interesting, but still technically here entry and break the low, but I don't force B. I don't force B based on volume. I'm just showing technically what is confirm of my strategy. But sometimes you need to stay out from the market or go out, even if we have to push low. Right? I don't trade it because I don't overtrade, but just for a curious. Let's look. 1, 2, 3 breakout was somewhere here. Can you catch? Goes spread 6. But this late entry, 10-12 island time, I close be here or here take be a stop loss on break even on around how much can be around 10 pips. Full close or stop loss on break even and hold till here till around 25 pips. And you see, this is the confirmation seat. Now, breaking out these 10 pips. If you enter because you first miss and you have some FOMO, I understand some of the people have. I follow my strategy rules. It's been this week we have second loss and one win. We're in teeny loss. Nothing strange. If you have like around 0.5 risk or lower, it's nothing. But you see how to rejecting break this candle. And so probably will continue here, but in this candle or this candle close somewhere here because pending in the last 20 seconds here. The last means can pull back or push down. It's very random in the last minute what making 5 minutes candle. Maybe pulling back and take your out from the game on stop loss on break even, and you can be close around 10 pips. And now when you risk 0.35, it's 0.15%. You can close here around 0.2 based on your risk, and maybe pull back and take you out. And after I have a good entry, everything just don't manage good. I say stop loss on again because it was so probably here start of struggling. Now it's 6 seconds. Now let's see if you are on the position or you're really on the position. What's happening with the new candle? With this big push, look how big pullback we have. It's a so probably a retest this our SR entry price. Maybe yes, maybe not. Maybe early pushing down and after retesting. Maybe retesting first and after pushing down. This is why I say after 10 pips close or stop loss on break even. If pullback you don't make a loss. Here we don't have a chance. Like put stop loss on break even because just break down some pips and after going up. Nice, look, we're very struggling. Oh, nice push. Okay, you enter here. Now you are around 20 pips. I go be out. It's more than enough. If you risk 15 pips and you are on 20 pips, it's not intraday. It's a tick scalping strategy. If you want intraday, come with us afternoon on futures. There we have faster entries, same, open, but we hold longer. Longer, and if you are okay, if was part profit or same, you can set take profit, stop loss. We mostly enter on market price, but it's possible on the future, same stop limit and stop order and limit order. It's the same possible. But me personally have 1 to 2, 1 to 3 error like risk, uh, 0.5 to 1% risk, and it's all. Monday engine I risk 0.5%, and on 0.6 I close manually. I don't wait more than 1.2 error. Calculate 1.25. Okay. Now breakdown. We break down the Asian low. The gap low. Asian low was here. Is the New York close candle. What we break now. It was a nicer trade here. Same, little like struggling. Maybe next time Mitchell will wait, because yesterday made so similar. Go down, break down, pull back, and after next candle, let's continue. I'll show for you. Here is it. I don't have yesterday's lines, but I don't need. Where is it? $26. Here, look. Breakdown. We enter here, then break down this doji. Either 1 or 2 pips, and immediately pull back. After more pullback, it's mean if you from here hold and 15 pips you risk half percent. It's a pull at back 30 pips. You double your loss because you don't need stop loss. I mean, I have a better win rate. Okay, and the average loss, or you don't have a stop loss. Here was a pending 1%, 2%, 5%, 10% based on 15 pips risk when you calculate double it. But told me after continue down, how much time flipping like let's see, 62 pips. Yes, it's a beautiful, but go intraday. When you wanna display, go intraday. On intraday, when enter you here, you take your stop loss on 30 pips, and your take profit will around 60 pips. 1 to 2 error. But you will have lower risk, lower lot, or you will have oversized positions. If you oversized position and this don't make a continuation after this dodgy here down, but continue up and you don't have a stop loss here on the 60 pips, you can liquidate your account in one trade. It's understand trading is not a gambling, it's a calculated risk. Look how logically here back I don't check SR here, look, go down, up, SR, second SR, look here, continue. It is our gap. SR, lower SR. This is our entry. So possible first entry was here. And now we fill at the gap. We made we break the yesterday London close candle and now start rejecting. If you go up, just retest the candle and after continue down or fully reject. Sometimes it will go down. This is why if you go here after the gap and you don't lose 5 pips, but I say 5 pips close from 50 pips risk, it's not so good deal because you will have 90% win rate or I don't know 75, like nice 70-80% long term. From free trade you will be in from 4 trade you will win free, and if you book 5 pips, let's say let's be optimist after spread if you have commission or whatever, and 15 pips 75% win rate, but you risk 15 pips to reach 5 pips. 3 times 15 is a 15. First trade you lost, e.g. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday you win. Thursday you make a one loss and you delete our profit because you're chasing 5 pips. Yes, sometimes 5 to 10 pips or take stop loss in a tiny profit when good pushing. It's okay, but not like here trying to force enter in the last minute for a 5 pips because make a calculation. I say for you, low error, high win rate. It's nothing. If you have a low intraday or swing, you have lower win rate. I don't know, 30-50% can be profitable strategy long term. if you use high RRR, that's mean you know 1 to 5, 1 to 10, 1 to 20, whatever. Or swing nice RRR win. If you will have 20-30% win rate, you will profitable long term. But you need to have a good risk management to allow your losses. It means you can be greedy. That's all for today. Uh, Checking my calendar if we see tomorrow, but I think no. Monday same questionable. Let me check. I think earliest Tuesday, maybe, or Wednesday, Wednesday. Let's see. There's Friday nothing. Weekend market close. Monday so probably not. Today is so busy day. Let's be curious. If yes, and you follow me, you public and reminder. But immediately before I start live or finally, it's in your feed if you follow me. Like it's not working like Telegram group or making for your feed and coming Google Meets or Zoom. Also, I don't do my coffee till now. Uh, it's a public. It can be complicated, but you can subscribe. You can set alarm. Uh, If I'm live every weekday, I'm coming same time. Before 10, some minutes. 5 to 10 minutes before 10. Or today I come when 57:58. There's nothing going away for us because Scandal was no wake up. Now showing wake up, but wasn't there for up one. And even is this mini week up, I think fill a letter from broker, or just after we go up and make a wake up. It doesn't matter because this is all of confirmation with a push down, pull back, push down, pull back, push down, pull back. I say here was a bullish volume from many pullbacks. You see red candle, but literally it's a controlled candle from bulls because higher volume go there, more lots open inside this candle, your bank, your other share, whatever, where you save your money and they're mostly trade with this. This is the reality, if you like or not. It's uh, pushing here more money for a buy like for a sell. This volume indicator is a good thing to see why is there many pullbacks. I don't say you try indicators and just based on this. I have same on the mobile MT5, still stochastic. It's not bad, but not for tick scalping. And it's just a next confirmation. But you can't have too many confirmation because if you have too many confirmation, uh, you don't know which you believe. Use maximum 2 to 3 indicator next to your strategy and don't be depend on this indicator. I use MA50 volume indicator and there is a stochastics, but I don't use because for tick scalping it's not relevant. But it's there. I don't delete. But using two indicator to help see why the price moving, why the price bouncing, and even my price action, the four rules, week, volume, price action, and a 5 minute chart. What do you need more? Me personally now coffee. Because I wake up, uh, soon here in 90 minutes, it's lunchtime. By the way, here, now finish, not to, 30, 40 minutes back finishing breakfast. Is the island. So breakfasting from morning from 6 to almost 10. Before 10 closing mostly hotels or whatever, restaurants. Brunch cafe, the morning menu, breakfast menu. After starting to prepare from 12, 11, 12 the lunch, and the dinner start 6 to 7 p.m. It's interesting, no, not like Central Europe. There's the island here, and everyone do that one. Okay, guys, that's for today. So probably we see just almost 1 week. You can check my journey. Part of the journey I share on every channels on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. How's going the futures evolve challenge. Sometimes I show the results, sometimes not. Sometimes I show just the moves in the PTS. Let's be more curious. I show for you when I pass the certificate. I show for you first payout, sure. If the amount I show, I don't know, maybe. But not so hard to calculate. I say what account we use, on which prop firm you can check the challenge type. You can check the profit target and the next requirements for a payout. And if you are was not the worst, if you don't fail the elementary school of math and somehow you jump through the high school of math, you don't need math fees in this calculation. This is just a percentage. A percentage so good calculate in the head. If you have a calculator, use it. But so simple, like trading. If you trade with someone, it's not easy, but easier. It's not simpler, but simpler. This one, once you understand, you win half of the game because you start to be coachable, start to listen the people who have more years experience. What you do be alone the fail, we live educators, we do it, and we can help how to avoid. When I improve my strategy, no one come after me. This, bro, don't do. No, but now I can help for you and say if you enter like me, why it was okay based on strategy, or why bounced back. Here, here before this breakdown, this and this candle breakdown, I say possibilities, and I say I don't will force trade. I trade one trade a day maximum. If no setup, no trade. If I see setup, one trade. If loss, end. If win, end. This is how you will not overtrade, not over risk, no FOMO, whatever. It can be 5,000 pips. I don't know, start the new war. I don't enter because my rules. Once you understand your rules, follow. It's a matter more like whatever. You can have good strategy, good risk management. But if you don't follow your rules, over risk, overtrade, FOMO, revenge trade, whatever. Because start with these things when you don't have your rules or you don't follow the rules, it's a more damage your account, whatever account, demo account, live account, fund challenge, eval challenge, payout challenge, whatever. The market doesn't care about your feelings. Market care about here you enter, here you exit. You have a positive or negative P&L. If you force trade, you trade your emotion. You see this setup where is not. You can say, okay, thank you for the money. On the next side, some shark take over your money, and between the broker take out the fee from both, each spread or even commission. This is how it works. The market can't eat your money. Eat your money. On the next side, someone will take opposite position. That means someone will take intraday, maybe same sale, but wait, have a bigger stop loss and bounce, and here go out. Jump for it. Someone can with you go for a buy each here or lower here. What is it here? Let me say it was a maximum where I say close. Someone maybe enter here. You enter here, you don't close this 5 pips. It's not good based on my rules, but okay. If you enter, don't close, and after pull it back 23 pips. And someone enter here for a buy, have 20 pips stop loss because intraday, and pull it back and 20 pips close, 1-to-1 error. Early like scalp, like intraday. But okay, name it how you wanna. Again, how you will name the strategy, the trading style. Don't change nothing. Change just go strategy, good risk management, Vita good rules. Without good rules, you can have anything. This is like a glue for everything. Okay, guys, that's for today. We see so probably Thursday, how I say, Wednesday. Shortly, let's be curious, follow, subscribe, whatever, set alarm, check if I'm alive. Or what do you love, what do you need? Enjoy the end of the summer. Some finishing. Calendarly finishing Monday. I think September it's autumn. But it depends very only because here was September on the island still very beautiful. Maybe as you understand. Bye bye.